from Vidhai. Today we will discuss about statistics. In this video, you will cover the topics about mean, median and mode. Before going into the mean, median and mode, we will cover some basic terminology. First, what will the statistics deal? The entire statistics will deal with the data. What is the data? The data means information in the form of numerical figures or set of given information. Raw data. Data obtained in the original form is called raw data. Generally, in raw data there will be no order. Array. The data will be arranged in a systematic order, means it may be ascending or descending. Tabulation. Tabulation. Arranging the data in a systematic tabular form is called tabulation, or presentation of a data in the systematic manner. Observation. Each numerical figure in the data is called an observation. Frequency. The number of times a particular observation occurs is called frequency. For example, in a class, 2 students got 50 marks in a subject. Your observation is 50 marks, but frequency is 2. Range. The difference between the highest and lowest values of the observation in a given data set is called range. And we take one more example on the range. For example, the lowest mark in the class is 25 and the highest mark in the class is 75. Then the range will be highest minus lowest. 75 minus 25 equal to 50. Therefore, the range of class is 50. Now we will move on to the data and its types. In the previous slide only we discussed about the data, and now here we discuss about the types of data. We have raw data, grouped data. What is the raw data? I have already said the raw data there will be no order, means the order is not seen in the raw data. Group data. The group data is entirely opposite to the raw data. In group data, we will entirely arrange the data in a systematic way into classes or groups, and we will discuss about the class of groups in the next schedule. Now we will go into the main concept, that is mean. What is the arithmetic means of raw data? Here see, it is the raw data, it is not the grouped data. We are discussing about raw data. The arithmetic mean of the raw data is obtained by adding the all values of variables and dividing the sum by the total number of values that are added. And we can see the formula mean equal to x1 plus x2 plus xn by n. Here x1, x2, xn all are the observations and n is the total number of observations. And we will take an example on the mean. Find the mean of 6 observations, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here n equal to number of observations equal to 6. Then mean equal to sum of all observations, that is equal to 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10, that is equal to 45, divided by 6, that is 7.5. Here mean of the 6 observations is 7.5. What does 7.5 mean? Here 7.5 is the average of all observations. Now we move on to the median. Median of the group data. Generally, why you call group data? Can we define median for the raw data? No, because in raw data there will be no order. For median we should require order. We should arrange the data in an ascending order or descending order, but there should be order. So there is no raw data of median is available. So we will discuss about median of group data. How can we calculate median? If n is the total number of observations, then if n is odd or n is even, we will have two cases, n is odd and n is even. If n is odd, then the median is n plus 1 by 2th observation. But in case of grouped data, it is difficult to find n plus 1 by 2th observation. We use formula to find median. And if n is even, then n by 2th observation and n by 2 plus 1th observation, and those two mean we will calculate, and that will be the resultant median. We will take one example of the median. Find the median of 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. As given order is an ascending order, just we will use formula. Here n equal to 5. 5 is the total number of observations, and median equal to n plus 1 by 2, and here n is 5. 5 plus 1 by 2 equal to 3. Therefore median equal to 7. Then we will discuss the last topic, that is mode. What is a mode? In general language, the mode is the most occurring, the in terminology most frequency, highest frequency. For example, in a given set of data 2, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, in the given data set, which value is occurring more? 5 is repeated twice and remaining values are occurring 1. So we will see the frequency of a particular observation in the mode. Which observation has a more frequency, which observation has occurred more times, it is called mode. In mode also we have types like bimodal, trimodal and multimodal. What is bimodal? When there are two modes in a data set, then set is called bimodal. Means there are two observations that are recurring mode. We can take an example. For example, the mode of set A equal to 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5. Here we can see that 2 has repeated thrice, and 3 is once, and 4 has twice, and 5 has thrice. Yet 2 and 5 repeated thrice, and thrice is the highest frequency in the whole set. So we have two modes, that is 2 and 5, because they have repeated 3 times, and 3 times is the highest frequency. Then we come to trimodal. What is trimodal? Trimodal means there are 3 terms which are having highest frequency, and you can take one example. For example, the mode of set A equal to 2, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 7, 8, 8. Here we can see that 2 has repeated thrice, and 3 has single time, and 4 has twice, and 5 has thrice, and 7 once, and 8 thrice. Yet 2, 5 and 8 are repeated thrice. So we will call it as trimodal data. And when 4 or more modes in a data set, then set will be called multimodal. And this is for this lecture, and thank you.